Hello, this is Ian from Zima Agency. So let's get started in setting up this plugin. First of all, for making it work, we need the Stripe plugin that Pavel offers, and also our plugin Stripe Customer Billing Portal. So first of all, let's check right keys for the Stripe plugin and also for the Stripe Customer Billing Portal. Remember to add the error at the front of the API key. Okay, so now let's configure a subscription plan. So let's select this plan and let's create, using the Stripe plugin, a subscription to this plan. We can choose between a dynamic plan or a static one. In this case, we choose the static. Okay, so we have already set up this, and now let's create the customer portal. So let's create the workflow. This workflow should only execute when the current user's customer ID is not empty. If it's empty, it means that this user hasn't bought any of the plans. And now let's first get the portal URL. Okay, here we are putting as a variable the current user Stripe customer ID. And the next step is to open the Stripe portal. In this case, we are using the previous step results above the URL. To make the plugin work, remember to go to product settings and enable here the customer portal. You can set up any configuration you want and then save changes. So let's start by selecting a random plan. We will fill all the details with fake data. It was successful. So now the button is enabled because now we do have a subscription customer ID. And here we can see all the different options that this billing portal offers us.